Hello everyone, here I'm again with the market analysis video for this week. This expiry is going to be really interesting because this is a monthly expiry. Going by our regular OS spurts, so then you can see there is a huge increase in the financial sector, especially the NIFTY, and then IT stocks are doing good. Wipro did well last Friday. And then emphasis, if you see, I think the open interest is really high. So just going by what we are seeing, I think metals seem to be having good addition of open interest. JSW Steel we have NMDC, we have sale here. So metals seem to be really good. And moreover, over the weekend, I think ITC has delivered really good results. So which will have a little positive impact on the Nifty. See, quickly check the Bank Nifty chart. I think this is still moving in a range. With the 36,000 on the higher end and then 34,000 on the lower end. On Friday, it made a bullish candle. Hopefully, I think if it closes above, I think we can go towards 36,000 for sure. So if similarly, if you're coming to Nifty, 15,900 seems to be very good resistance for now. And then on the downside, we have a 15,500 as a good support. So for now, till the time I think either of these levels are broken, we will not have any decisive move. So it will be completely range bound. But because the more time you spend in this range, I think the more violent the breakout or the breakdown will be like. So and moreover, our stocks we have shared over the last three analysis video, I think they did really well. Some of them being Wipro, Manappuram Finance, Havels. These are some of the stocks which really went well as per our analysis. So coming to the stocks which we want to see for this monthly expiry. So Bajaj Finance is looking good because of the results. I think everyone expected there will be a downtake, but rather it surprised and then made a 5% up move on Thursday. So Friday there was a small spinning top kind of a pattern. The only worry is because it's happening at a resistance level, so there might be a reversal. Till the time we are trading above this trend line, I think we are good. Maybe if there might be a possibility that we might break out because the financial Nifty is doing really good. Because if you see in the OS parts, financial Nifty happens to be at number one position. Bajaj Finance is one of the top contributors there, so we can expect that Bajaj Finance might open gap up. So ICICI Bank is the next stock. So if you see there is a breakout on Friday and then with a very good volumes, and then there is a small resistance which is at 680 levels. So if there is a gap up, I think we are going to see new levels. However, if there is a gap down, I think it may take support on this blue trend line and then go past 680 for sure. The daily chart, it's looking like a cup and handle kind of a breakout, and this is the trend line for the cup and handle neckline. So because the breakout is already given, so there is a possibility that yeah, it might retrace a little and then go up, or even there might be a straight gap up on Monday. So just based on how it opens on Monday, we can take a trade accordingly. But view is on a positive bias. So ITC, I think this is one of the dark horses. I think if you see, there was a trend line breakout sometime last week on 14th of July, and similarly, I think we might face a little resistance here at 215. However, because of the good results, I think it might open gap. Can easily break 222. Once it breaks 222, I think it can zoom up till 240. But going by the results, we assume that there will be a gap up opening and then there might be a breakout about 228 levels for a target of 240. So next comes Eicher Motors. So if you see here on the chart, Eicher Motors, I think it gave a breakout somewhere here and then it has resisted at this trend line and then went down. And or 25,020 or 25,050 happens to be a good support. We are right at that support. We have to see. I mean, it's much like a make or break levels. So if there is a gap down opening, I think we are going to go till 20, to 24,050 for sure, which means 100 more points fall. Or else if it is going to take support and then it might shoot up here till this resistance, say somewhere around 2,700. So based on it, I think because it has been underperforming for the last, I would say, more than 10 days now. So there is a possibility that it will take a support here and then it's going to past 2,700 levels. So now I think if you're going to the sell side, so now tree happens to be at a very crucial level. I mean, this is a crucial support, and also there is a trend line which is running down. So once it breaks a trend line and there is a, so either of them can be taken at the same time. So then we can expect at least 300 rupees fall on this stock. However, if there is a gap down opening on Monday below these levels, I think then it's a good shorting candidate for a targets of at least 300 points. And then Tata Motors. So when there was this big fall, sometimes this candle, so we shorted Tata Motors at around 315 levels. We are still holding the trade closed. So as disclosed earlier, I think we are expecting at least 280 level because that's when you have the support. And if you can see, there is a break of this trend line, which was running for since almost like February. So unless and until there is a gap up on Monday, otherwise it's a pure selling candidate for at least a 20 points target. So if you see auto index, I think it has been falling since almost like 15 days. So that's a big, very big time. So we are nearing the support. So maybe in couple of days on Monday or Tuesday, it might take support and then take a rebound from here. So these are the stocks which we want to look for the monthly expiry. I'm expecting that Bank Nifty might be expiring above 35,000 and Nifty will be expiring above 15,900 hopefully. Thanks guys for watching. I think you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please share it to as many people as you can. Thank you.